Hi everyone, I've got my iPhone here, I'm in my Photos app, and I want to copy these photos onto something like a solid state drive like this, or a memory card. Now if you've got an iPhone 15 Pro or above that has got USB-C, or an iPad with USB-C, you can take your solid state drives or your memory sticks, and if you've got a USB connector, you can plug this in and copy your photos and videos directly onto here, which is a good backup. And also you might want to use them elsewhere. So if you've got a lot of video there and you want to edit it, it might be easier to copy them onto a drive like this, also a good backup, rather than using, say, AirDrop, which could take some time. And well, you might actually want to share these with other people as well. And the same for the photos. You might want to use them, say, in Photoshop or something like that. And you want to take them from this device and put them on there. So I've connected my solid state drive into here. And I'm in this folder here, recent trip to Paris. I'm just going to tap on select at the top. So I'm just going to tap on select all. You could just select the ones you want just by tapping on them. And down in the bottom left, I've got my share button. So I'm just going to tap on share. And you'll see down here, it's got save to files. So I'm just going to tap on that. Now, if some of these files weren't downloaded already, they were still maybe in the iCloud, you then might just have to wait for them to download and you'd get a progress, that little circle showing you the progress there. So I'm here, let me just go back one. You can see I've got recently used and I've got locations on my iPhone, iCloud drive, and it's also got the solid state drive here, the Mobile Extreme 2023-2. So I'm going to tap on that. I'm just going to create a new folder here, tapping on the three dots at the top, tap on that, tap on new folder. I'm going to call this one Paris 2025. Oops, let's just put the space in there. Let's do that bit again. There we go. Tap on done. It's now showing me that the folder is empty. If I tap on save, it's going to just save them all across onto there. You can see the spinning wheel in the top right hand corner. Depending on how many files you've got, and the size will depend on how long that takes. And you can see 72 files there. Some of them are video, have now gone over. So now let me open up my Files app. I'm just going to search for it, and here it is because I did that earlier. Tap on Files. There is Paris 2025. I'm just going to tap on that, and you can see all of them are in here, and some of them are showing a preview as well. And I can just go through them like that. So there you go. That's my photos that I've got, and videos as well. So this is a good way to back up. So there you go. You can quickly copy them across. Perhaps someone's going to give you a memory stick or solid state drive, and you can just copy across photos and videos that they want. It's useful if you want to edit separately, Final Cut Pro, DaVinci Premiere Pro, and so on. You can just copy them onto this drive. So it's a good way of sharing. So really easy to do. Now, you could AirDrop them, but this is quicker, and I quite like doing it like this as well. So there you go. That's a nice, quick way of doing all of this. Thanks for watching. If you do like this, please do like, share, and subscribe, and come back for more.